Are you ready to explore the future of language learning? Can ChatGPT really improve your efficiency of Mandarin learning? Today, we will dive into the incredible world of ChatGPT and how it can help you to learn Mandarin Chinese. This video will first take you into how could ChatGPT help you to learn Mandarin Chinese vocabulary. Second, how we can use it to practice your Mandarin Chinese conversation. Third, we will find out how could ChatGPT improve our reading skills. And lastly, we will see how ChatGPT could choose the best Mandarin learning app for you. ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI language model by OpenAI. Engage in natural conversation and experience the power of human-like responses. The question is how we can use it. Vocabulary is the fundamental of a language. Without it, you can convey nothing. The basic way to use ChatGPT is you could ask a question like, how do I say hello in Mandarin? And receive an immediate response, 你好, with a detailed explanation. But you might say, hey, I can use any dictionary app to do the same thing. Why ChatGPT? That's true, but apart from using ChatGPT as a dictionary, you can use it to summarize what you have learned. Like, you have learned these vocabularies today, and you could ask ChatGPT this question, and then you will see the ChatGPT make a detailed form for you to review. You could also use it as a tool of practice. We use the same vocabulary as an example. You could ask ChatGPT to be a teacher to test if you remember these words. You could type something like this, and then you could see ChatGPT start to ask you questions so that you can answer them. Basically, if you want to practice your vocabularies and review words, ChatGPT is an amazing tool for you and is completely free. By the way, if you want to learn Mandarin Chinese more efficiently, please subscribe to the channel. Second, we can use ChatGPT to practice our Chinese conversation. Well, as ChatGPT is a chatbot, so you definitely could use it to practice your conversation. And you can use it in many ways. First, you can start a conversation with ChatGPT by introducing a topic or asking a question related to Mandarin. For example, you could say, let's practice some Mandarin conversation. Can you talk some daily greetings to me and I can answer them and you can reply to me? And then you could start and get the answer from ChatGPT. Or you could set up a scenario, such as in a restaurant or when you check in at a hotel. And then you could ask ChatGPT to practice the conversation for you. If you could understand the meaning, you could ask it to provide you an English translation. So in this case, you could also expand your Chinese vocabulary. Third, ChatGPT could also improve your reading skills. It's a very good tool for you to practice your reading as well. I mean, it does not just to give you a random article to read, but according to your request. Still, for example, you have learned these words, and you could ask ChatGPT to create an article according to these words for you to practice your reading. And you could also ask ChatGPT to create some questions according to the text to see if you can understand it. Like, you can type this question and try to answer it. In fact, you could ask ChatGPT to change the difficulty according to your level. Or you could ask it to change the question to English. It's all up to you. And even you can ask ChatGPT to change the question types as well. So, in this case, ChatGPT is a marvelous tool for you to practice your reading skills because it knows your level, what you have just learned, and could create numbers of reading materials to practice. Fourth, learning apps recommendation. Sometimes we will need to use different apps to learn Mandarin Chinese, but there are millions of them. Which one is the best? Or maybe I should ask, which one is the most suitable for you? The easiest way is to ask ChatGPT which one is the best app for learning Mandarin Chinese. But this kind of answer is always be depending on your need. So we need to be detailed in our request. For example, we could ask which is the best app for me to learn Chinese grammar or Chinese pinyin or even writing in Chinese. You could regard ChatGPT as a search engine, but obviously it's more than that. Because everyone's need, request, or problems are different. And to you, you need to figure out what is the most suitable app for you. However, ChatGPT can answer all these questions and save you lots of time. You could ask ChatGPT to give you a comparison of these apps so that you could know which is the best for you. Of course, there are many other functions that ChatGPT could help you to learn Mandarin Chinese, such as grammar, writing, proofreading. However, these functions are not very accurate at the moment. Maybe we'll have a better result in the future, but currently, these four functions are the most recommended. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an exceptional tool for learning Mandarin Chinese, offering interactive conversations, personalized guidance, and a wealth of knowledge. However, while ChatGPT provides numerous benefits, learning from a real person remains invaluable for a comprehensive learning experiences. Because don't forget, the purpose of learning a language is to communicate with a real person, not a machine. So, If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about learning Chinese, please click this video. And I will see you in next video. Bye.